This is the INNIOXV coenzyme Q10 or CoQ10 with 68 milligrams of vitamin E. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are going to be my own. And my opinion is I'm a fan of CoQ10. Inside the package, you are going to get this bottle right here, and it came sealed up very nicely. I cut the package off here. You can see on here that they have given us 60 soft gels in here. So these are meant to be taken once daily, so that gives us a full 2-month supply. It also arrived perfectly with nothing melted together. That I like. So your body makes CoQ10 naturally, but as we get older, production tends to decrease. You know, a lot of people use CoQ10 for a whole variety of reasons. And as with anything, always do your research and talk to a professional before adding anything new to your routine. But this is one of the supplements that I take every morning along with my multivitamins. I have one type that I normally use, but I like the fact that this one has the vitamin E in it. So you can see the bottle here, and you can see what they look like. The ones I normally take are a little more of an orange color and squishier than these. They're still spongy, but they're a little more firm than the ones I take. And I like that because this is something that you're going to want to store in a cool, dry place and keep out of the sunlight, or they get really squishy. So on the package here, we have 5 calories per serving, and we have 68 milligrams of vitamin E, and we have 200 milligrams of CoQ10. I like the fact that it's a once-a-day supplement, so I only have to remember to take it once, you know, and feel like I'm doing something good for the old ticker. I know this isn't super important, but I do like the fact that this is a twist-off bottle, and it's actually really easy to use. The other kind that I have has one of those flip-top things on there, and eventually, over time, I will break that flip-top off, and then I'll have to put it back on there. And I don't like that. I like to have a screw-on bottle top. But there you have it. INNIOXV Ultra CoQ10 with vitamin E.